the dance hall. A disappointed some boy who has no double plates at all.
Feel it get closer to me.
We have go pick it too.
Me unite when this battle is over.
They're no boss.
But they always seems to take the ones who close to me.
You know how long we want clash. Them say tonight and no profanity. So we have to do what we are do. You understand? Disruption sound rise up again. Ready?
Disruption sound. I'm like this spice, without putting in the second, we're coming up.
Anything in our life you do,
Boy, I can't find them here.
put God first.
Disruption sound.
That must so easy something. Watch it. Ready?
Ah, boy. Look at here. Good Lord, yes, you have answered disruption prayer. From all shame and misery.
Listen what God do.
Yes, you have lived in the time. Well,
A 15 minutes now, so I know the thing said.
from all
But now waste no time on it.
from the streets, disruption rise again. Yeah. Like a old machine bag of busted by your friends.
But I play some song, we don't know. Them are some song. We play power radio, where they everywhere play. You want to hear next Mikey Spice? Listen to this.
My God. See?
This is Mikey Spice.
Come back.
While we pray on that stage, I feel like it all drop down. Ready?
Miami's fine with sunshine most of the time.
When I rush or something and everything good.
Disruption sound is lazy. Off you go, events alone, but don't you know? How we're making our way back. But as the big bad sound of born and raised, now we kill any sound.
We're gonna tell everybody from New York there, everything good.
LA was fine, but it's your home. New York was home, but it ain't mine no more.
I'm gonna call the name here today.
It's time boy I am myself.
Them said 45 tonight. You understand? The whole of we have done. Trendsetter Bounty and Bujo. We have Bounty and Bujo. Tech 9 have the same song, them too. You understand? We're gonna play a song, right? That boy will never stop this disruption play. Ready? But now rush this. Yes, I'm not echo myself. Music. Let me tell you something. A different style tonight. You understand? We're telling us so we have the Bujo, the Bounty, and all of them something. Everything good. But we're going to play a song right now. You understand? All the way as sound man, we never make money back off of what we're spending at dub play. Never. We could never make other money there.
Straight back representing for this
Listen to song, this is called creativity.
music. Yo,
Listen.
this drop the good music. I want to big up Quest. Yeah, man. DJ Marcus. Big up yourself, man. Ian Lace. What you there? Yeah, not said nothing. Yeah.
Listen difference.
Quest. Run the track. Disruption sound.
We don't make no riches out and dub plate on them thing. We do it for the love.
Disruption sound.
Listen creativity.
Oh, yeah.
Watch this stuff, watch it.
You never made a fortune, yeah. Killing sounds, it's not too late, yeah.
Watch them step come here do that morning.
Ball from soul for the down in the past, kill them on and out of my father, done so far. Hey!
Listen to yourself, everything good enough, everything good.
Some boy in them blood, them Joe last and can't be found, hey! One in. Mighty disruption, nobody's in the realities in the West Indies, yes indeed. Mighty disruption.
Wanna know them song from early, listen it.
Mighty disruption are done. You put up with the woman, you not put up with the man.
We don't want to hear songs.
So from the little boys, I want to never splice. Hard summer. Disruption.
Here's the set, listen up.
Put down now.
Wanna know the band song, you know?
Disruption. I'm on to give them all a clip full. Both of them are getting full. So from the little boys, I want to never splice.
I've been dealing with that boy, you're wicked in our morning. Watch it.
Disruption. Hey, brother. Hey, good down now. Are you a man? Disruption. I'm on to give them all a clip full. Both of them are getting. Got them with the rifle. Mix with a shotty. Some sound boy love the watchy chatty like a peeping time. I mix with a motor mash.
Try to do this.
It's up the original. We carbon copy.
Hold on there. A first round, right? But we know the round them so short. We not gonna have no time. Let me play something in our history. In our first round. Now we're giving us something custom.
Different level of things sound deadly right now. Said a disruption sound.
First round, listen up. Let me show the creativity. You want your creativity?
Go sound a go dead. Yeah.
That's a one kick.
Them set a dead like a bird and catch the movement and sleep with she bad a boy. Different level of things sound deadly right.
Let me start it for now. I'm not making no waste no money. I never know so them like a charge today. I'm not making no waste no money.
Hey, here comes the
Only 2 rounds them can play custom. So first and second round. Easy. Listen to me.
Trend set a dead like a bird and catch the movement and sleep with she bad a boy. Them get what them deserve. Step 9 sound happy run.
One boy have this custom but I'm play it right now. No!
It's nothing good.
Take 9 I will upon name custom with my name tonight. Watch him play them tonight. Watch me and you. Take 9!
Why go suck your mother till I put cigarettes on?
Listen me. I'm not gonna let honor down, you understand? It is war time! I'm not gonna let you down. This is our first round. Everybody know that Sanchez here. Sing it out to me.
Hey, well, if I want, make you start then. Disruption in my pet, and we know bed.
No, sir.
Fun sound is not a problem. Them are gonna use him jump and a feed the of them, Lord. Disruption, your beauty design, you will in a boy. If him try, put up a fight. Lots of the plate, you got it. Gangsta selection.
Hold on. This is the armory. And if a boy step up here tonight and talk about him the day in the army, if him did in the army, we no business. If him did in the army, a potato him did a pay. You understand? Let me show you something.
Outrage is great, you cannot underrate the great sound like Disruption that run the place and set the pace, who's dumb plate and chill.
A first round and everything good.
Now we got man like DJ Quest, who dance all from east to west. Now we got Ian Links and
You gonna tell everybody there tonight.
Slim. Out to Rias, Jamaica Massive, but the messenger, come on, let's take it away.
Everybody there the armor tonight, right? You gonna tell everybody there tonight. Back to yourself. We're gonna kill some show tonight. Watch it.
Rally round the champion sound and run to deep and out of town. Disruption here the
I don't want to play first round, like first round. I'm gonna give you some bad style. I'm gonna give you some bad style.
Sell off boy. Sound boys call them. Love later. Tell them back. Send them the ball back for those back. See ya. But sound boy you better know who you are deal with first. Before you tell me how much your blood thirst. Yes, you better know.
We're gonna tell all bad people in our place.
What about man and some boy from
listen.
What we do with this something easy?
Some son boy a clown, that's me I say, yo, your gunshot is and kick them down, I want to.
Real good man in that place.
Big gun man rise, boy, to make no noise. This and disruption get a shot between the eyes. Like the on the line, the passengers I realize them get gunshot to them brain. And send trip into an instant data. Use a blah blah just send you your poop and deck. Use a double plate, your chop select kind of them just don't get gunshot to them. So disruption man a sound kill.
We got to all shoot our day up.
So we have to danger Marcus. You don't know what you do.
And this option some first round.
Disruption. Ooh na 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 na. 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 Ooh.
One more bus will be good. Listen to me.
Disruption. We put a shot in a them inside. You know what do them your sound, yo?
When we walk up in our place tonight,
Danger Marcus.
we don't take long to get the numbers them. What?
Me go tell them say it was clash at first. Shine in a this garden tonight.
Some boy play a song party.
Shine, why? Disruption of burn pig and disruption sound. Will never play with the champions play. Disruption sound. They'll leave out the Babylon.
Yo, some of them are back past some other songs.
Me hear them sit down, time for your dead. Time for your dead, full of and I'm the fish and bread. But sipping in the sea and smoking a big head. Smoking a big head and have them getting on your bed again. Sit down, time for your dead. Time for your dead, full of and I'm your fish and bread. But sipping in the sea, disruption sound. Yeah, I'm so far, me mates far, them don't hear me. Playing me dubs, see me, some of them is hear me.
Listen to me. Y'all some brother father tonight. And then it look like some of them are real enemy like that. Talk your power and box up. Let me tell you something. You know, still up good. I'll still up in 32 them.
Kill some disruption. Praise in the name of the Lord. Disruption of King Teeth. I kick out teeth. Ooh, you didn't know that long time Beyonce. Lord mercy.
My brother there on the left hand side over there, so.
Keep so. Can't help us.
You say I go win tonight? Listen to me.
Boy, run come up in a we make them boy. Walk up in a me shotgun boy. Disrespect, disruption, and soul. For your Lord, disappear.
Yo, some boy a malfunction. Sometimes certain man follow certain man. Chop.
Yo, tell them this
You can't see the difference, no?
See them, you will know them. Then you would know about who choose them. From the hear them, you will know them. Listen to the way of them smoking now. From you see them, you will know them. Then you would know about who choose them. From the hear them, you will know them. Disruption, me say we are gonna slow them. Alright, you don't see a dead song them. I don't be song them. I eat them. Why? That's
Everything good.
Going and don't know with them. Bigger judgment, you don't see a watching on them. That's how they mind them. I eat them. Why? Disruption, ready for do them. Alright then, so we go call them all. It's my thing.
Let me tell you something. Let's say 1 minute. Let's say the time shot.
Yo, Marcus, talk to them for me.
We're father tonight.
Fucking up.
Fire some shots.
Oh, no good, they don't know the world, me and tell disruption. Papa gun, me and saying one hell.
Who goes? Sound of fraud.
What am I saying up?
Sound of fraud.
20 seconds.
See, you only got a few seconds more. Question number 7, set speed on. Kill the sound, kill the sound.
Boy, watch out for what we are doing.
Then why began they spying me, and the informers got their eyes on me and free, and I'm the baddest motherfucking.
Listen to me, people. Listen to me. Don't take back your betting money yet. You understand? Everything good. All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Disruption introduction round. Now you know who he is. Yes. So with that being said, in Jamaica we call that the warm-up round. Take 9. The clock starts when the music plays. Turn on the talker phone.
Check.
Yes. 15 minutes.
A joke take this brother around there.
Intro.
By the way, I have some reach, you know. Alright? Yes, sir. Right now, we talk with my that we tell you some look a bumbo clad boy, you know. Hey boy, question, name Danzy pussy, you know, boy. And she talking, you know. Is that nasty bumbo clad boy. I've killed man, I got kill you tonight, you know, but boy. Big Wayne come talk to them bumbo clad people, you know. Them man, he look like idiot boy named Quest. Him never know some secret did I leak. The people them know what one. Say your name Danzy pussy before you go to the station. The man. We know all of that, Chris. So from the start of killing,
Mighty Tech 9, ready to kill. Mighty Tech 9, ready to kill.
everything of that tonight.
We are gonna kill them bumbo clot.
Here's the park up in the Sniper!
Them for those that Tech 9 sound of the big sound. Yo, Tech 9 around the world. Hear me no Charlie Pride, big up yourself, we say run the team. Lady Angie, we say lift it back.
Baby, the wife there. Alright? We have to keep it clean. We not talk no password. I don't know about my dirty.
No, don't you dare try to test.
Level. Trendsetter. They are called every day tonight. They're going to start with the artist here, so. And shoot off for you.
This sound has no beginning and this sound has no end. This sound a bad man sound and this sound a big friend.
Don't be
Tech 9
Trendsetter.
come to kill sound. From sun up
On
to
the
sun
blue
down. They cannot test we. And they don't know who they're fucking with. Who they're fucking with. I Tech 9, the big bad sound, gun pop off and sound slow off.
Everything on there.
Coco,
Sip to the best.
show them something. Why? Oh Lord. Why?
Who there?
Why?
We're just on there.
The kind them come to kill, idiot some boys. Say Tech 9 them come to kill, some idiot some boys. Say you would in Tech 9 and not belong, boy. You would in Tech 9 in the long. Cause all the daughters keep skanking. And the man them keep rocking. Everyone feeling irate, full joy in themselves. Don't end the joy. Cause what you want them from Senti and the one them from
Everybody! You wanna know what kill me?
I know
Relax tonight.
them say
Everything on there, the agent, tell them.
I'm in the mood to kill a sound. Tech 9, come, let's throw one down. Give me the rhythm, cause I got a feeling, oh Lord. I'm in the mood to kill a sound. Tech 9, come, let's throw one down. Give me the rhythm, cause I got a feeling, bad man said.
You know what?
Never a sound like this. Tech 9, they can't do.
All of them watching the bad
long. Say I'm an overfarming hills, turning from Monday to Friday. And at the end of the week, I got to listen to Tech Nine sound play. Okay. Me and me going to Robbie, think I need to school in the dance song. Watching the African queens having them sounds about. Big power! Who better skanky, skanky.
Level. Remember me, a defending champion. Now no can't kill me tonight. You see tonight? Let me tell you something about tonight, boy.
Well, I pray you're intelligent, you're freaking sitting and it's picking up some jump and whatever's neck and that's what things that they see. Oh, here I come, and here I am. Oh, Tech Nine sound, I see you feel jump on. Oh, here I come, and here I am. Boom, salute Tech Nine sound, your return. Hey, this is a warning, pray to God. Them live to see you morning, yeah. Tech Nine tell them it's a warning, pray to God. Them live to see you morning.
You all of them run.
Hey,
I'm forward in that class.
people,
We not afraid of none of them.
tell them different war and now we get bloody. Oh, Tech Nine, that be that thing we not
Never,
try.
never abandon them.
Yep. Yeah. Oh. Send them come. That ain't no afraid and none. Tonight them have to run. Send them come. Ready no afraid and none. Fuck up in a big gun. From afar I know what is on their mind. Pestilence from earth to destroy mankind. Tonight in the clash we full them up a carbine. Nah, left what Father God save the divine. Holy Bible read it from time to time. Tech Nine, stand up, bold and strong. Message of a reach all over this land. Like it Tech Nine touchdown, teaching nation.
Hey! Youth, you give props for this sound. Soda play good. Me like that. Say, like a general soda play good. Me must can't play that song here.
Hey, easy now, reality.
I will soda play for that song here.
Right.
What's the song you play song here, sister?
Tech Nine a murderer.
What's the here?
Tech Nine the sweetest sound, killing all over town. Tech Nine you are the sweetest sound, killing all over town. Hey, I am me friend them, I tell me so. Me hold up on the Tech Nine, me nah go let go chop. Idiot sound boy, me and you no friend. Nobody come up with the Tech Nine again. Phenomena 1, phenomena 2, phenomena 3. Say, abracadabra, me say, what me sesame. I don't want it on the big.
What's in on the style?
And I went,
What's your age? I'm going to tell you this.
you see the little jump and sound. Billy bang bang, billy bang bang, billy bang 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 bang. How them get thrown down? Wicked man sound, Tech Nine sound. Go run them out of town. You know when we're
I go.
ain't no that come around thing. With your sound just
Disruption, hold this.
hey, how them? Well, tell them dead now. You're trying to defend.
First second you not get to, you have me foot, but me have to kill you.
See it tomorrow. Don't play the on them belly. Well, jump on them dead. Try to
I'm
disarm.
from Nakuma down to start.
You never live to see it.
And the reason for it though,
Don't
we
play.
are going to kill you though. Transcend.
Glory and the future. When Tech Nine play,
Over. player.
If I take my time,
What timekeeper
the
then?
music just
Timekeeper, I go.
brought you to someone crying.
You know what
I
I'm
said
saying,
to
friend?
myself that I'm a child and never do my ways. My brother, that my time was made to be his sound.
Yo. Hey. Timekeeper, how much more me have? I shoot me, I shoot down, you know. Shoot me, I shoot down. Hey, what I'm
It's ready bomber class to them bomber hold it. This Tech 9 will have Cause I was launched from my father pump rifle. I lodge in my mom desert eagle. From me a one day me a kill people. I Tech 9 a big bad so no. You never know say Tech 9 them a monster. Man from jungle, man from arena. This bad man bomber will you get murder. Big up all PNP, big up all labor. I'm not saying Tech 9 is
What?
monster.
Here you play some bounty. I know say you play a bounty, boy.
Example for the
You see that bounty, yeah?
all of them are you.
When me drop that one, yeah.
From somebody in your car. Take 9 top of the gun, call race for parts. Somebody in the roll like
Oh, what is that?
no, you dead your mother ball. Take 9 name, you call loose argument. He done long story Paul. So they go down, push up like a wall. Get in the gully, go down like a wall. You put a big or small, put a long or tall. Take 9, you go this and all your weather go fall. And you matter we cry.
Very much.
Heavy ball.
The killer, they not done yet.
My God, well, kill her.
Killer, shoot him again.
Yo, motherfucking niggas.
Them shoot that tonight.
On the market. Body walking. Well, my gun come up in a me Tech 9 boy. Pop up in a me shotgun bell. Disrespect Tech 9 them sounds. And the law I disappear.
Here I go.
And no want me, no want them Tech 9. And no tell me, no tell them. Well, if you're this Tech 9, you're in a problem. When the law I disappear.
Killer, sit down.
Talk and kill this a gun in the middle and get killed. And start kill you.
Very much.
Nine rap.
Killer again.
Well, actions speak louder than words. Tech 9 not talk better if you observe. Hey, just hear the grand talk, get your beat like a ass. I did the rest and you did the not. Hey, actions speak louder than words. Hey, Tech 9 not talk better if you observe. Hey, hear the grand talk, get your beat like a ass.
When the players forward out, and them to Tech 9 on it. They said, no man, Tech 9 not play. I love one for money for Sound Clash. Sound Clash, I'm a try. They are killing for free tonight, boy. Let me tell you this. Let me tell you this.
Them blood clot down come muddy. Then Sex and Catherine, you know the doctrine.
Shots that I want this.
Tech 9 kill fish on no perplex, them run else a city. And a nation we go down, you perplex, no flex. Tech 9 we get paid.
Is that easy? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Is that 2 minutes?
Make we get
Is that 2 minutes?
on the number on Tech 9 them now.
But they again. Let me speed it up.
You know it's
time to call in, you.
King Kong, motherfucking niggas don't try fuck around.
You know
They
what?
fuck around. God Tech 9 gun, no shine, no trick, no shine, church, disrespect them.
Kill again.
One time, Psycho Hype, Charlie Pride. I want to them fool, DJ Ross. Fucking people are crass.
Sit down.
Well, down in all the ghetto where the poor now for thing.
Just that down. Lock down you for that.
Motherfucking niggas should know my break of rice. Hey down, New York. I want to them, Jamaica, London, Canada, worldwide. Them for life. Tech 9. Don't up with guns, they go gun them down.
Just that down.
Just them run.
Yo.
And just go round.
Listen to your boy.
I want to do this for us. Yo, it's a rap.
You look a shot ball, boy. They'll kick you.
Reggae and the rap. Well, this a Tech 9 when a pussy can't kill. Then in every year, 3 days at the top still. Get like
You think them done?
Tech 9 on the borderline. No. People that sing.
Tell them, hang on.
Not another bird, me not gonna murder. Tech 9 not that boy, me get murdered.
And what?
Another bird, blood run like water. That boy, am my pleasure.
Voila.
Call it forward, I see Tech 9 them checker.
Don't be the case. Now be my grandfather, listen.
30 seconds.
Okay. You see your boy Quest? You feel say you can kill out me song them. Me hear you play one of my song and you don't kill nobody. You just say, brrr. Are you mother you talk, brother? Don't do them something there. When you cut them son, the boy, you have to cut son like this.
This is Guinea Pepper, this is representing for the Big Bad Tech 9, Florida dancehall president. How you know it's a Tech 9 the dancehall president say gunshot and board back say all about cat. I'm from Sound Boy. Disruption the girl them a talk about on the sound, you know. Sting movements the girl them a talk about on the sound, you know.
Time.
King Trendsetter. Girl them say now set a different kind of king make us up become. The girl them say DJ Quest up become. Them so become. You know.
Time. Him can do it for the next round. Yeah. You know it go. Come I've been update them for the time. When 2 minutes, I tell them 2 minutes. When 1 minute, I say 1 minute. 30 seconds, I say 30 seconds. Alright? So you are going now. Take it. Some come for the defending thing, for real. Once again, I want to say maximum respect to our sponsors. Dr. Barbara Sharif, thank you so very much for being a part of our lovely community. And of course, a part of our culture. We really and truly appreciate you. WZOP, WZPP, maximum respect in every aspect. Flex TV. Are you ready? This is your talkaphone. At the first song, that's when we start the clock, okay? Ladies and gentlemen,
Check.
the third song
Check.
on the list.
Let me just say one thing real quick. TC,
Yes.
if you stop me wrong like you do Tech 9, a problem in here tonight, you know. I doubt if you know.
Time we are working
No,
with.
man. Not all right.
Time we are working
Do
with.
that with Tech 9. I start it. People, all who ready for sound dead said dead. What I know. Big up all, yo, no manners. Look how much sound come here and support the thing. Big up City Eat. Big up Six Pack. Big up Prodigy. Ruckus. Where you sound them there? Big up on yourself. Matrix, big up on yourself. Yo, at this one, I saw a warm up sound. The one thing Disruption said. One thing Disruption said was a perfect thing. Big up Ricky Trooper. Rest in peace, Bree. Trust me. Me show you a thing. Big up my daughter, them were there tonight. Because they come to see them father murder the whole of them. So right now, big up all God bless people coming in a long chat. Hey, what matter of fact, hold on, I will take 9 there. Hey boy, 2 weeks ago, with their Linstead, and the boy try a thing and try disrespect, and guess what? Tech 9 them, he must get kick off his son because he now play good for him people. And him, I'm hometown that, you know. And him flat, and not come and dance, no. Yo, boy, you can't bad like we. Teflon run you off his son, you can't chat to me, boy. Tonight, me and you and a friend. Right now, me not get angry. Me just want to pick up all the God bless people in high place. So all the people who love God and all who have a bad mind, right now, I hear a song this.
At the messenger, some boy feels is sticky. Only Emmanuel on.
Let me show you how you warm up the dance.
And give praise to Rastafari. King Trendsetter and the Conqueror. Oh, Jah.
First song, easy. Me not huckle up myself. And them 2 that song me come to play. And them 2 songs you play, you send Mikey Mike. Play a song.
Why can't stop it?
Down, play Trendsetter, play now.
Me just get the call yesterday.
Tell a massive East Italians. Tell a guy say now. Made it try but couldn't attest. Trendsetter sound. No. Made it try, Trendsetter just chop them down. Yeah. So my fool went to the bank. Withdraw all his money.
Only per cost on them device.
Thinking that's
Only per cost on the device. That now help you not tonight.
no. Trendsetter you play. That's how the world and soul jumping. Rocking from the night.
Bamboo. Hey.
Watch out me juggling that.
King Trendsetter killer.
Easy. Jack come here,
Bring them down.
Listen.
Now, there's no competition. When King Trendsetter play again. Man firm as the rock of Gibraltar. Mountains around Jerusalem. Boy, you labor in vain.
Why me waste my time with them boy?
Trendsetter kill you and take it for joy. We no play with sound guy. Shoot them in the belly like that. Well, there's more than a million sound guys to kill. Trendsetter got the skill.
King Trendsetter.
Take your time, my nephew. Show them how to juggle the dance.
Sound boy dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm
All who officers sound dead. Let me see the light on them now. I go. Lighter.
Any sound try test this sound. Them jump and I go get slew.
I'm going to do them tonight.
So kill it down, so kill it down.
Outside with there, no. Outside with there, no. Turn here.
See the moonlight on the town. Oh, I'm getting ready.
Hold on, but
Since
that.
it's on in
Hold on,
the
what?
some boys did and bury. When terror put on in Gideon board, my God, some boys get nervy.
We're not going to get to the money's worth, don't.
And up on
Trust me.
Trendsetter.
You're not short change you.
Kill us up tonight. Oh, we kick us up from left to right. Oh, kill us up
Play us
tonight.
up.
King Trendsetter. King Trendsetter. Just imagine living in a world where there is no jump and sound.
Oh, we're not playing.
No.
We're not song.
And imagine if every soundboard you see
Hola.
knows what he is playing for.
Level.
Whoa.
Level. Wow, everything good? Mix our? Everything good?
King Trendsetter and me.
Alright, level. Stop. Voila.
When you jam,
Yo, engineer, Maverick, come here.
and a vibe, and he got so buzzed up to hide. Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Alright, level. Work with it, man. I'm a machine that, brother. Yo, let me tell you something. Them say me can't chat, me can't cuss, me can't say no bad word. But my son can't say it now. Play me song, brother.
Trendsetter. Double maker. Ring pepper.
From Mikey Mike, call me.
Alright.
Let me tell you this.
Set ever be prepare for war. Set them not trace like theirs, and we no fight and scare. Gonna with justice, we not left it far.
Make it
Well,
play,
we
make it
use
play.
left selector boy head pantar. We not give a fuck who you be. Anything walk up, I go get R.I.B. Selector the singer on the tree. Them no bad like Dick Trent.
Hey, Charlie.
Alright, then we tell them war. King Trendsetter left your brain pantar. Bullet in the head and we not care who you are. Rifle cap a tip a bus out head from far.
Level. I wanna go like so wanna run Broward County. I wanna go like wanna run Florida. Tech-9, you kill some brother. Hey boy.
The world is mine. Me know them bad mind from ever since. Everybody know them got a sound up for them things. No fuckers me for me stand them when me spin. Man I can't stop for life. King Trendsetter sound dog. Ever strong. Stay beside me, them not have my back, you know. Man can't have my back. Any man have man back.
Level. How you do, Tech-9? You want to play me artist? Let me show you. When you talk about cockatoo, let me show you how to play.
King of the world. King of the world.
Listen, son.
Trendsetter, king of
Miramar.
Trendsetter up in them toes. Yo.
I will do good reggae music. I want you to listen to me soul tonight. I'm going to play some tune for you.
Set a sound, king of the world, king of the world. Trendsetter, on top of the world and looking down in the dance hall, and the only explanation they can find. Every
Let me tell you this. I'm me from Florida. No boy around here. Just know this. Don't be up in there.
Bill bound to killer come kill.
Say you over world, with responsive. Looking at the classic 6 shirt, 6 fancy.
Them days. Deadly. Some call it killing town, but this is not a day rock. What's up? King Trip.
Get forward.
Them days. Rum bam bam them sound days. Trendsetter kill them deadly. Some call it killing town, but this is not a day.
Well, I know some sound for dead, said dead.
Jump on sound for no say gunshot a go echo. Hear that too? That guy. Trendsetter we a murder sound again. Jump on sound I go die. Yeah. In a long time now. Trendsetter we a play dub plates like this. Different vibes in the air when we murder sound again. Happiness.
One don't have no talent.
Me say jump.
Talent does sell a shop.
Silent.
One can't play music for the people.
Sound this we slaughter them.
Well,
oh yeah. And me say gun them gun. Kill jump and like this. Get the music
again. Hey boy, Tech 9. Oh, your bad mind, so. Remember, say, them called me yesterday to take the clash. Me, or Thursday. Me call Charlie and say, yo, you ever get paid for the last clash? He said, oh, them never called me for the rematch and And next thing you know, the next day, me see the man on the flyer. You don't see you beg date. You told licky youth. Drop song.
You know this thing though? This one play.
Why you never allow me?
Special.
Why you never allow me?
Talk to them,
Anyway, when I see some boy try step to it, and when it's a kill them from far, and them not ready for the war. And I know, dirty son boy I gon' give doom. Them little drum pan a go down in a tomb. Son boy,
I know, see it now.
and I know, when this dub drop them can't cool. Trendsetter.
All who don't like no bad mind, no go so. All who don't like no bad mind, go so.
King Trendsetter, we say jump on sound boy, they not go like that junior. The plate legend and they made like a tumor. Sound boy dead in ya, can't this Trendsetter. I wish boy I talk about go suck your mama. VJ the one terror, East Side, what am I talk about, man?
Only can't play for the people, eh?
Child not taking the blame. Trendsetter go murder them again.
Yeah, boy, disruption. I'm sorry for you tonight.
Right now we're gonna murder someone. I know what you've been playing over the dance hall.
All right, me love when I say, hey, disruption, you say you're a big son? You say you're a big son? Play!
We're killing the sound tonight. Yeah. Then we can be the word that bright and bright.
All who know good reggae music, see it, yeah?
King Trendsetter's killing them sound guys tonight. It's gonna be a terrible sight.
Let's take 9. Let's take 9. Oh, you bad mind, me son. Oh, you bad mind. I thought we was friends. I thought we was friends.
Oh, it's a big dog plate. King Trendsetter all the vibes. And they set the pace.
On the time, stay TC.
I don't appreciate love. So they
Trey?
outside.
What if I time?
No love.
Take 9.
How can you be so ungrateful after all? King Trendsetter sound play for you.
Oh la da da.
Can't have a cockatoo.
Boof buff
I will
boof.
handle the truck
Them
tonight.
dead. That's on a fire running red. Trendsetter is the king sound. No sound can't take away we crown. Trendsetter are the king sound. Not a little.
One on level. Tech 9 come from Linston. So if you know Tech 9, I go and pay an artist from Linston and bust up. Make you and cuss the rest of the word. Turn it up.
Fort Lauderdale Massive, Miami, Orlando. Say that.
One on Linston artist, boy.
Kill them all alone, King Trendsetter. It's not too far from killing time. It'll be so far.
One on. Take it forward.
Whoa, what a night, yes. What a night tonight.
Yeah, boy, you see me I play for the people there.
I feel good when Trendsetter is around. I need to feel a idiot song. Feel good, feel good. I feel good.
I'm 3 minutes we have, you know. You have to play it around there smart. And what you have to do next?
Alright. Right, I know this is a serious time. Violence and crime and
Trendsetter, I kill sound boy. Alright, hold on. Yeah, wait. How much that? 2 minutes? Play that one there. Play that. Yeah, hold on. No. No one play that one there. Well, listen, only cut custom for me. You see Disruption know about this dance for a whole month. You know when me get the call? Thursday night. Junior Chill, me your brethren, but left it there, so yeah? That question run off him out, make him dead. Don't run up into that. Alright. All who say, sound for dead, say dead. I wanna ramp with.
I'm Mr. King Trendsetter. Mega, big up every time. Super Dre, you see me Terror. VJ, E-Style, Ricky, big up Grammy star Michael Pandeke. Sing down on the voice.
I want you to listen.
Sing down on voice. Bop. Sting ding ding down
I
on
mean, I wanna ramp with.
1 minute. We come to ring the 2 grand in the shootout. DJ Sting, you know bad, you a Cub Scout. Charlie Pride, your gold teeth, we come for kick out. DJ Quest find a new route. Charlie Pride and Mega couldn't be friends. Them a fall away, but that we set the trend. Put the money on the clash and we murder them. Mikey, Mike and Barbara no real dead.
I wanna ramp with.
30 seconds.
Hey, 30 seconds. Play a next song. No, man, show them up. Play a next song. I don't want your next song. Say next song. Well, hey.
King Trendsetter, killer sound boy again.
Remember, say I intro wrong this.
Trendsetter, a soldier.
Wanna ramp with me tonight? You don't know when I wrestle.
Trendsetter, a soldier. Trendsetter, ninja army.
I know.
Foundation in the only place. King Trendsetter, no run place. Get up the time.
Hold that. I wanna ramp it.
That's the introduction run for Trendsetter. Somebody mean business? Yeah, man.
Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the day and soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.